Hey, this morning we're fixing a little problem that this deck, this area right here should be here. It makes this all out of level, and we've got to bring it up. And we got some jacks. I got one old simplex jack. It's a mechanical jack, and we'll jack it up, and then we'll put lag bolts through to hold it in place, and do something a little bit better than this. And we'll probably look around and see if that area needs it while we're at it. Even though they didn't ask me to, I'll probably do it just to. This is a good friend, not just a customer. So, it's about the top of this. Supposed to be the top of this. So, 7.5 inches out of level. That's what we're fixing today. A simplex jack, which you can use, you can lift heavier things, but it's generally not something I use for multi-ton. It will go to that. It's a mechanical jack. You can use the longer side, and you can use the shorter side. You want to go up, you pull this little handle right here up, then it goes up both here and here, and it's driven with those gears inside. So we're going up, we're going down, down. That's what we're doing today with this. You have to keep an eye on
not hitting.
bust that hammer in.
Yeah. Because we're going to take it up the whole front. There's 2 screws can't be holding that much weight. There's 2 right there. There's the only other 2 I see. But I'm lifting the whole. Should I? Should this be separate now?
Dig it out kind of level where you won't be sitting tilted.
Okay.
Not that we have that much weight, it's just good habits. And that 2x10 or whatever it is right beside you can be knocked out. I don't think that's doing anything. Should be able to go on up.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on it, don't let it move on you. Get some 3-inch screws. Get it up where it needs to go.
Pretty good. got that.
I can't find the 3-inch screws.
Too high. Does that stair eventually flush with the top? It still looks like we gotta go higher according to the level.
I think it was flush right there.
Yeah, we're still a little bit out of level.
Somebody's been messing with it. Staircase is down, we'll have to fix that. Put the screws through one on this end.
Huh?
The screw gun's right there to your right of that 4x4. And put 2 of them in. You don't have to sink them all the way, just as long as they're whole. You're going to go to the black bolts. Nope, go underneath. Underneath.
Oh, from behind.
No, you can. That's fine. Alright, let's let it down. Let's see what happens. The screws will hold some, but some 250-pound people walking on and stepping. The thing about people that are overweight is when they start going down steps, they step really hard. I have a place that has like 15 steps down, and the bottom steps are the ones that get the most impact. You sit there and watch them come down. The more comfortable they get with going down that staircase, the more they go. The first ones are like, "Ooh, gotta be careful." Use some of their weight. But that's the bottom ones, and they've literally broke the bottom steps. Those are people that are probably 100 pounds overweight, maybe more. They just relax. Hey, I'm down the step. Boom, boom. So yes, impacts on the steps are pretty intense. Can you get underneath that one? What about further back over this way? Yeah. Oh, I'll do a TikTok on that jack. What's the matter?
I was just trying to make sure it was you.
Going up till that's even with the. That's even with that. All right. Let's put the level in there and see what we're looking like. This was really worked up when I moved it some years ago. I don't know, 8 or 9 miles away. She wanted me to leave it pretty much like it was. I wanted to do so much more. So that's showing high. This needs to go up on the far side. So I'm okay with that. I'll raise it up. Let's get this side fastened.
Alright,
So we'll take a break from the camera. I'll put these lag bolts with the washer. on, and it's going to be driven by a deep impact on electric impact. Now they're making battery powered impacts pretty strong, where they can take semi trailers off, but I don't have anything that expensive. This is electric, and you can get this at Harbor Freight. So we're going to put this in. We're going to secure one on each side and then one in the middle, and that'll hold it all together, keep it from doing that, hopefully. And really what it needs is more supports in the middle, but that is not something this woman told me to do, and this is not the only woman that I work for that I do what they say. I suggest, and I don't do that very strongly, I just suggest. Go ahead. You got all the bolts on you?
No, I need the other two. I just got the three that I needed.
Lag bolts in where it needs to be, jacking it up with the simplex jack, and the impact. Put 5-inch lag bolts in, and pretty level. It walks strong. I mean, I would like to put more supports on that deck, and this one, but I don't do things unless she tells me to. So we've already done above and beyond what she actually asked to do, and that's the end of that little project. I'm sure there'll be other projects. I can see several on this house. I think she wanted me to jack up the inside of the house in the hallway, but she locked the door, so I can't get in there. I mean, I can get in there, but I can't get in there legally. Not that I'm a illegal type of person. I can just take the doors off. But she needs to put fascia on there and some drip edge because it's wicking back up the roof. And I told her it would a long time ago. If you look on the other side of that porch, you can see how far it's rotting out the OSB on the side. That's why you want to put drip edge on it. And fascia. We're going to run down there and hit that.
I'll wet right back up.
OSB and suck up. So, see if there's another cord